In our previous video, we discussed how to expand exponential expressions when the base is a fraction. And for our example, we had 2/3 to the fourth power, which means we're multiplying 4 2/3 together. So now for the next step, let's calculate the value of this exponential expression. But before we do that, let's review how we multiply fractions, because if we're able to do this skill well, we'll be able to calculate exponential expressions such as 2/3 to the fourth power well. Alright, so let's begin. Alright, let's review how to multiply two fractions together. And to do that, let's multiply the fractions 2/3 and 7/5 together. So before we start multiplying, let's review some of the parts of a fraction. So the first part we're going to review is the numerator. The numerator is the top number of a fraction. So if you look at our example here, 2/3 times 7/5, the top numbers are 2 and 7. And these are what we call the numerators. Numerators. The second part is called the denominator. The denominator is the bottom part of a fraction. So if you look at our numbers here, the 3 and the 5 are the bottom numbers, and so we call these the denominators. When we multiply two fractions together, we're going to follow these steps below. So our first step is we're going to multiply the numerators of our fractions together to get the numerator of our product. Our second step is we're going to multiply the denominators of our fractions together to get the denominator of our product. So let's follow these steps below. For our example, we have 2/3 times 7/5. So to get the numerator of our product, we're going to multiply the 2 and the 7 together because those are the numerators of our fractions. So here we have 2 times 7 for the numerator. For the denominator of our product, we're going to multiply the 3 and the 5 together because those are the denominators of our fractions. So the denominator is 3 times 5. And now we're ready to get the final answer. So our numerator is 2 times 7, which equals 14. So our numerator of our product is 14. And for our denominator, we have 3 times 5, which is equal to 15. So the denominator of our product is 15. So 2/3 times 7/5 has a final answer of 14/15. And this is how we multiply fractions together. So let's review how we multiply two or more fractions. And we talked about how we multiply the numerators of our fractions to get our numerator of our product. And we multiply the denominators of our fractions to get the denominator of our product. So if we had two fractions, a over b and c over d, and we multiplied them together, we're going to multiply a times c to get our new numerator, and we're going to multiply b times d to get our new denominator. So now that we know how to multiply two or more fractions together, let's use this skill so we could calculate the value of exponential expressions where the base is a fraction. So we have some exciting things coming ahead, so I'll see you in the next video.